channel. As you see by the title, I am doing my Boohoo unboxing or unpackaging, whatever it is. But first, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Now, so let me see. I ordered this thing from before Christmas, and I got this package yesterday. So it's been weeks. Anyways, it's here. So I like the packaging. I'm not gonna lie. I like the packaging. I wish I was seeing some black girls on there, but yeah, I can't believe it just came yesterday. I had that order from, I mean, before Christmas. So we're gonna go in the packaging. I might try on, I don't know. Because right now I'm tipsy. I don't feel like trying anything. But we'll see. How's that cutting? I'm gonna get scissors. Cut it. Let's see what's in there. Excuse me. Alright, so the first item is, oh, this is my coat. This is the fox fur coat. See how it's looking? Oh, it's thick. I like it already. Ooh, I like it. Ooh, got buttons. Yeah. I'm trying to let me see, push this thing on me. Let's see a little bit. I like it. I'm gonna try it on though. I have to try it on. See how it fits. My shorts down a little bit. Let's try it on, see how it fits. Yes. You know, details. You know, it's very thick. It's very thick. So we'll try it on. What is this? Okay, I don't know what this bro, what is this? Where's this Boohoo thing coming from? I'm just gonna try it on with this thing on. Listen. Oh, y'all can see my face though. I look cute. I like it. I like it because I like it. Listen, I don't think I don't like it. I like it. It's so warm. I wanted this before Christmas. I wanted it before Christmas. It didn't come in time. You know what? I'm just glad it's here. We want to talk about the piece. We're not gonna talk about the past, but seriously, the pockets though. I like this. It's so cute. I am in the bag with a shirt. I think this one, the long sleeve shirt with a little long sleeve shirt. Oh no, this is a one piece. What do you call this stuff? Body top. Well, I say khaki on there, which is green. But yeah, it's a one piece. I'll get the other one. Yeah, what's this? Another long sleeve, another bodysuit. Another bodysuit. Yeah. Okay. Oh, these are masks. I like these masks. I forgot how much these were. Non-returnable. Non-returnable. Oh, I want to return them. First thing I don't know how to see in that. But yeah, I think these were It's 5 of them. I think 5 for $2. So yeah, this is a washable one. So you know, I have masses. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Bro, I'm hot. It's raining outside. Oh, this bag. I like this bag. This bag with my jacket. No? Look at the bag. Look. It's like a, what's it called? Top lock box. It's a box. It's a box crossbody bag. So it's cute. Look. Got the top. You know. Details. Okay, it's cute. I like it. The chain. It's cute. It's a cute little bag. It's nice. I like it. It's different. So compared to other bags, it's just cute. So yeah. Goes proper with the jacket. Alright, what is this? I think I put a bunch of long shirts. I think another bodysuit, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. What is that all trees? I saw I put a... Okay, so this is another bodysuit. I don't know what I bought. I never have really had it. I don't really wear bodysuits. So I'm going to try something different. We have one more item in the bag. What in the heck is this? Long sleeve. Oh, oh no, I didn't buy it. I'm missing the shirt. It's not. Dang. I think I'm missing that order. I didn't need to buy it. This is, alright, so this is different. This one it's a bodysuit too. But this one has a face mask. See the face mask? How you put this again? I forgot how to look on the website, but I'm about to look. Okay, yeah. You put it this part go over here. Like this. You know, like that. And then you put it, you know, face mask. So it's a bodysuit and a face mask. So yeah, it's different. So I basically bought a lot of stuff because yeah, that was on sale. At the same time, the friggin' shipping is ridiculous. Like, why is the shipping $10.99? But anyways, that's the only thing I don't like about it. They have good stuff, they have good clothing and whatever on sale, but the shipping price is ridiculous. Like, why is it $10.99? I should have got it when it was $4.99, but I keep going back and forth. Like, I'm so indecisive. I keep going back and forth. I'm like, actually, I had stuff in my cart for like weeks, months, and I ordered it before Christmas, and yeah, ordered before Christmas, and it just came yesterday. Today's Friday, so it came Thursday. Like, but yeah, so that's about it. My little, you know, Boohoo, little unpackaging, trying on whatever. I don't want to try on the jacket, but yeah, that's it. So I don't think I'm gonna order from them again because the shipping fee is ridiculous now. Because they always send me a text to my phone, so if the shipping fee is $4.99, then I'll get something else. I'll order something else. But $10.99, no. One time only. Oh, okay. So my best friend got me this. Okay, so I have like two. What is it called? Oh, this is a ring light. I thought it was a selfie stick. Damn, I can't open it. Bro, where's the scissors? Because I'm like, sure. Somebody get up, you know. Alright, I'm just gonna read the box because I don't need it. You know what I'm saying? I don't need it. Yeah. Whoa. It's big. I thought it was small. So it's a selfie stick and a ring light. It's a selfie stick and a ring light. Like, look at it. And I have a ring light already though, but I appreciate this on my bestie. Oh, it's connected together. Oh, so this one is okay. This is dope. This I'm gonna travel with because hello. Hello. Pull out this way for your phone. I'm about to try my recording phone right now. Where is it? It's on here somewhere. Look, see? Let's see. So wait, you can't turn? I thought you could. Oh no, I'm about to say. So you know, you could turn it that way. And you could turn it like this way. So that's how it works. So I'm turning this way. I'm gonna put the phone on there. I'm gonna turn it backwards because I don't want nobody saying nothing. Boom. Yeah, like that. Of course, it's I know it's. I'm gonna turn backward, but I'm just showing because it's my old phone right now that I used to record. Right now I'm using my regular phone, but I have different apps on there to edit, so I'm using that phone. The only apps I have on this phone to use is my tape. Is my Vlogstar and iMovie. I used to edit on this phone, but I have other apps on that phone. So I'm like, let me try different. But I like this. This is so cute. Thank you, best friend. Look. Oh, this is nice. I have two selfie sticks. Where's my other selfie stick at? I think my other one is like this too. It opens up. The bottom opens up. Look. It's cute. I like this. And I have this. Yeah, I could adjust. Yep. This is cute. I like this. Thank you, girl. It's a selfie stick and a ring light. Hello. Oh, I turned it on. It works. I just pressed the button. I didn't even know it was gonna come on. I thought I had to charge it up or something, but it came on, girl. What's going on? Oh, look at the light though. Yes. How you doing, girl? I like these. This is cute. Like, I'm definitely walking around with this one. Like, this gonna be my go-to tripod. Yeah. So it came on. Oh, you could adjust the light to like bright. You could adjust it, you know? Yeah, I think you hold it down to turn it off. Okay. But yeah. Alright, so the mic, this mic thing, I was gonna do ASMRs with it. So that's where the mic comes in. Oh, a little cute little bag. See, what's the ASMR mic? Nothing very something, you know. How you plug this into your phone and then you pin this on you, like pin it on me. Yeah. And then you just talking to the mic or you just eat into the mic. This is for ASMR videos. I thought I was gonna do one this week, but I didn't. So maybe next week I'll do one. I'm not sure. We'll see. But yeah. So this is my unboxing. This is my unboxing little video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See, I'm trying to be consistent, right? I'm doing it. I'm trying as long as I'm trying. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.